Right, so this is the current one. It's a few months old now, but I'm going to put the new one on today. This one's still got a bit of lifespan in it, plenty of life in it. I just fancy having the new one. So this one will go into my spare box. What I'll probably do is, if I go away later this year, I'll probably pop this one back on just for those kind of really hot sunny days on holiday, and then keep the new one in good shape. I mean, this one is starting to kind of thin out a little bit at the front, but it's not too bad at all. It's got at least another 3 months lifespan left in it, I think. Yeah, I'm going to go for a longer hairstyle today. This one's, let's take the glasses off. I mean, this one's probably about 2.5 inches on top, so I might actually go 5 inches. I did it once before and it didn't really suit me, so well, I can always cut it again. Right, so he's on the mannequin, all stuck on there. I'm just going to chop it in now. Right, so a bit unconventional, cutting it between my legs. Right, so this is the classic undercut style. It's nice and long on top. Now, since I've been having these blonde highlights just at the front, obviously with the short hair that I've got now, obviously I suppose they were only visible there and then all this was dark. But now we're kind of leaving it sort of nice and long. Look how much more blonde kind of remains all the way through the style. So, and then of course on top, look, it's going to be sort of all those blonde, long blonde streaks kind of reaching all the way back to my sort of crown area. So that's going to be quite dramatic when it goes on. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. What I'm going to do. Right, so let's say goodbye to the short hairstyle and welcome in the long hairstyle on a glue attachment. And here we go, long hair. Midlife crisis has begun. Let's have a little look. Yeah, I quite like it actually. I mean, I think I was saying earlier about the blonde streaks kind of stretch further back now. I think that's could do with this being cut a little bit. I think it'll look better then, but yeah, I could probably handle it for a few weeks, maybe a few days. Yeah, let's have a little so let's zoom in on the hairline. So glue needs to kind of like lose its shine a little bit, but by tomorrow that will be kind of like all the kind of glistening glue will be kind of more of a matte finish. Right, here we go then. Here we go.